Before I get into the video, please help us get to 1,000 subs so we can start doing giveaways, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now let's get into the video. 5G is the next generation wireless network technology, which is expected to change the way people live and work. 5G is known as the fifth generation. 5G has a lot of eyes on it now, and everyone thinks that 5G is all good, no bad. But let's talk about the pros and cons. One of the pros of 5G is the hyperspeeds that you'll get when you're on the network. 5G will have greater bandwidth, which means more devices can connect with the network at once. Now let's talk about the cons of 5G. One of the cons of 5G is the less coverage, which means 5G poles has less range than a 4G pole. Another con is that if you want hyperspeed, you will have to stand right next to the 5G pole in order to access the fast speeds. You can't walk around a wall and expect fast speeds. 5G runs at a higher frequency, which means you won't get fast speeds if it was raining outside or if you walk past the house or something. Another con of 5G is the battery drain, but 5G is new and there's still a lot of potential for 5G. Well, that's the video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more, and I see you later in the next one. See you.